Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
Along with Ray Ferraro, I'm James Cebulski. Welcome back, everyone, and buckle up while you're at it, because this should be a doozy here this evening. Ray, I guess with what we're about to see on the ice, international relations could be impacted politically here in the world with this one tonight.
Wow, that sounds like a pretty big game, James.
How's that for a sell?
I'm just thinking when you play with your country's flag on your chest, everything is a little different. It means a little more.
And we are about set to drop the puck on this one. Well, the hype for this one has been off the hook. Puck is dropped. Let's see if this one actually lives up to it. Team USA's got it along the wall. And it's a quick pass to Matthews. And he gets his glove out to stop the pinball shot. Team Norway's got possession here in their own end. Picks it off, look out, makes the save. On the rebound, blocked in traffic. Norway's moving the puck through center ice. Zuccarello's got it in the offensive zone. Takes the pass. USA's got it in the offensive zone. Puts one on net, close save. How did he get a piece of that? And now it's grabbed by Matthews. That's intercepted. With possession along the wall. On the one-timer, great glove save. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Picked up along the boards by Kessel. Puck grabbed by Van Riemsdyk. Takes the feed. And now he moves it to Jones. And he slides it quickly to Jones. Moves the puck. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. Right in the slot. Huge stick save by the goaltender. Takes it across the blue line. USA's got the puck behind the net. From the point, they take control of it. Wrist one in front, gives them nothing in front. Team Norway's gained possession along the boards. Big stop by the keeper.
Oh, he's locked right in. A couple of stops in a row there.
Moves the puck along the half wall. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Forces the turnover. Norway's got it in their own zone. Over the line they come. Nice pass. Point-to-point pass. Here's a pass down low. Handles it along the blue line. Moves it quickly over to Van Riemsdyk. Tosses it to Wheeler. Here's a chance. Shuts him down. Centering pass. Quick feed to Eichel. With all kinds of traffic, he grabs the puck here inside his own end. Rocked him.
Yeah, they're going to try and set the tone of this game by using the body. There's a good, solid hit early in the game.
And he slides it quickly to Kessler. Officials blowing the play dead. We've got a penalty on the way here. Pretty cut and dry with a tripping call here.
Yeah, but James, every player argues the tripping call because you feel like your stick was in the right place and the other guy stepped on it. Never your fault.
And it looked like there was some late moment lobbying there that didn't work.
It doesn't work.
No, none. And the man advantage unit comes out to go to work.
It's their first power play of the game. What a great chance to break this scoreless tie. Start with a face-off win. Get the puck to the point and start moving it around before you attack the net. Have a clear plan.
Besser's swooping in on the attack. Here's a short pass to Kane, and that's blocked. Trying to come up with a huge defensive play to get this puck out of his own end. Team USA's got the puck along the wall. Lugs the puck back into the neutral zone. Quick pass across to Pavelski. Picks off off the pass in the defensive zone. Gets it out of his own end. Trying to get something going here with this man advantage as they start from their own end. Slides it across. Shot. Fantastic save. Besser's got it along the wing. Now a quick pass to Matthews. Here's a shot from the wall. Stops the rocket of a shot. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Deep inside the defensive end, still trying to clear. Both sides back to even strength. A great effort by the penalty killers there.
Always frustrating for the power play when they go back to the bench and don't have anything to show for it.
Takes the feed. Makes the save. What a reaction with the blocker.
Aggressive stop out on top of the crease to make the save on a dangerous chance.
Kessler's won the draw. And now he angles it across. Scores! Oh, what a one-timer to bury it!
Really good work in the offensive zone here as the shooter keeps moving around till he finds the open spot. In this case, it's goal. He's in the high slot, and he hammers it home.
USA's hard work in this opening period pays off.
Right when the anthem finished, these guys were on it. They've done a really terrific job and are well rewarded for that first goal.
Along the half wall with the puck. Great heads-up play in the defensive zone. He's got a little jump. He's clear. Throws it on goal. Oh, the poke check. What a read by the goaltender. They've got numbers. To his teammate.
Kessler's dangerous, and he's got the puck now. He had the go-ahead goal earlier on.
Team USA's got the puck along the boards. Quick pass to Suter. Pass back to the point. A little bumping around, but still maintains possession. Knocked away. Grabs the puck here at the blue line. No room for that one to get through. USA's got control of it now here in the offensive end. Receives the pass. Sends the pass over. Wrists one. Denies him in front. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Moves it around along the half wall. And the shot dies in the traffic jam. Through center along the wing. Moves the puck to Suter. Looks to get the puck over to Oshie. And they'll dump it in. Team Norway's got a hold of it along the wall. We got a delayed call coming up here as the referee raises his hand. And the official stops the play as somebody's off to the sin bin. A little too much nasty in the eyes of the official on that hit, charging the call, Ray.
I think there should be more charging penalties. You travel 35 or 40 feet to hit somebody, that should be a charging penalty.
First chance of the night here on the man advantage.
Well, this power play shows up at a rather opportune time. They're trailing by one, and now a chance to level the score off. Aggression will be the key for them.
Norway's got a hold of it against the wall. Sends it quickly to Zuccarello. And a bad pass, and they'll be forced to start all over again outside the offensive end. Slides the puck over. Trying to get the puck out of his own end. And it's a small victory for the PK unit here.
Well, that's their job. Get it down the ice, get off the ice, get some new people out there.
Moves it to Zuccarello. Sends a pass over. Oh, he'll feel that one. And that's broken up. Under pressure, chance to get it out.
Always a killer if he doesn't get this puck out.
Goudreau's got it against the boards. Gets the full use of his stick on the poke check. Handles the puck. Takes the feed at the point. From the blue line, they take control of it. And now he moves it quickly to Gaudreau. Stops him with a glove. Got to give the penalty killers a lot of credit as the penalty expires.
Well, that's a missed opportunity, isn't it? A chance to tie. They don't cash in, and now we're back to 5-on-5. He ran right through him on that hit. Lined him up, timed it perfectly.
Team USA's up here in the first, and they could easily be up by more based on what they've done offensively. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Here they come on the attack. Takes the pass in the offensive zone. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. USA's gained possession along the boards. Into the corner. And here's a shot. That goes wide. Steps into it. And pokes the puck loose inside the offensive end. And now he tries to get it across to McDonough. Takes the pass. And that one's turned away.
If you're going to leave a rebound, it might as well be 30 feet away from the net. That's a really good stop because the puck's out of danger.
Kessel's going to play it against the half wall. Suter's got the puck. On the attack along the boards. Moves it quickly over to Suter. Into the offensive end now. Takes that pass back at the point. Glove save! All quick reflexes on the play. Puck picked up by Eichel. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Scooped up along the wall by Wheeler. Back to the point it goes. Solid hit on the play, and that knocks the puck off his stick. Carries it in. Takes the feed. Misses the net.
Not going to be happy with this. He's got the opportunity to score. Doesn't register a shot on goal.
Besser's got it in the offensive zone. Gets a hold of the puck here in his own end. Moves the puck. Takes the feed in the middle of the ice. Moved into the middle. Put the hard hat on here. What a hit. With possession along the wall. And he gets the puck right back. Quick feed to Carlson. Carlson's got the puck along the wing. Moves the puck along the half wall. There's a shot and makes the save.
Oh, that's a good look from the guys in the truck there. Look how he lines them up, times it perfectly, and throws his shoulder right through him.
Here in the dying moments of this period, we've got a 1-0 hockey game thus far. Matthews has won the draw. Makes the save, and he got a blocker on it. Team Norway's got the puck along the wall. Along the half wall with the puck. Team USA's got the puck inside the defensive zone. Taken by Oshie. Pacioretty's got it along the wing. Into the corner of the attacking area. Drives it to the front of the net. Stick save for the goalie. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. And now it's over to Pacioretty. Oshie's got it in the offensive end. Inside the offensive zone, takes the pass from along the boards. Nice pass. Jones looks around and tries to make a diagonal pass to Pacioretty. Just wide. Up along the wing. There's a violent collision. Quick feed to Jones. Pokes it away to keep the pressure on. Here's a short pass to Pavelski. Takes the saucer pass. Feeds it down low. Read it perfectly and breaks up the play.
Really nice play, but that turnover shouldn't happen. They've got the lead, a little safer with the puck.
With the stop. Gibson's got it in the defensive end.
Jones didn't take anything off this. That is a big hit.
USA's been the better team here in this first period. More shots and more goals. Just a better all-around execution. Pavelski's won the draw deep in the defensive zone. And now he moves it to Van Riemsdyk. And that slides right out to center ice. Moves it around along the half wall. Looks to set up at the point now. Pavelski's lugging the puck. And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Comes up with the stop.
I wanted to get another look at this one, James. This looks like it hurts. I'm glad I'm in a suit here.
Team USA's got the lead here late in this first period. The first period is all said and done with as the horn sounds. 1-0 is the score as both teams make their way to their respective rooms.
Limited edition team bricks are available tonight at your team store. Get yours before they're all gone.
2 more periods still to come. We'll be right back with much more action here on EA Sports. Both teams are back at center ice, and we are ready to get period number 2 underway. Here we go, middle frame now underway as the puck drops. Ray, we've already got 20 minutes under our belt here. What are your thoughts of this one so far?
Norway's probably in a spot that they deserve to be in. They haven't had the puck very much. Of course they're going to be chasing the game.
Sends it down low. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Slides it on over to Matthews. And now he angles it across to Kane. Slides the puck across to Suter. Kane's got it against the boards. And it's a quick pass to Suter. Takes the feed. Lets it go. Gets a piece of it with the blocker. And that's broken up with a stick in front. And now he tries to get it across to Kane. Denied by the blocker. Zuccarello's got it into offensive territory. Grabbed along the boards by Zuccarello. From point blank, turns it away.
Smothered that in close chance. Well, what a quick reflex stop that is. Great scoring chance.
We're still in the early stages of this period. We got a 1-0 game to this point. While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Kessel's carrying it ahead. Finds some space in the corner. Takes it off, and they turn on the pressure. Receives the pass. Fires it on net. Misses high.
Oh, get it on the net, man. He's trying to be too perfect with that. Sometimes you get it on the net, it'll go right through the goalie.
From the backhand in front. Big save. Along the wing up the neutral zone. On the attack along the boards. Knocks the puck loose after a solid hit. Carries it across the line. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Taken along the wall by Kessel. Puck scooped up by Kessel. And now it's over to Eichel. Lets it go. And the lane's clogged up blocking that. Saucer pass across. Quick pass to Kessel.
They've totally controlled the puck here on this shift. Now they've worn the opposition down. Eventually, you get a scoring chance or they take a penalty.
Through center along the wing. Looking to make something happen along the boards. Great poke check on the reach. Eichel stick handling in his own zone. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Wheeler's going to play it against the half wall. Smart heads up play to neutralize the threat. With possession along the wall. From the point, looks to make something happen. An easy glove save made by Gibson.
Carlson's got to know right before he takes this hit that he's going to get run over.
More than half the period left to play. 1-0 the score. Good read by the winger as the two setters tie up. Oh, she's got it across the line. Here's a blast! Big time stop there. Jostling for the puck, but still maintains possession. Sends it in deep. USA's gonna play the puck from behind the cage. And he gains the zone here. Moves it to Kessler. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Rocked him in the open ice. Into the corner now. Solid body contact. Moves the puck along the half wall. That's just textbook positioning to break up the play. Takes it across the blue line. Sends the pass over. Off target. Kind of lost control for a second there, but regains possession. Slides the puck over. Here's an odd man rush. Sends it over. Fires it just wide.
Not really close with that. He got lots on it, but nowhere near the net.
And that one's broken up by a great defensive play. Kane's got the puck. Shot. Oh, denies him with the save. I think he got the blocker on it.
Really good save. Control the rebound. Get it into the corner where you can reestablish yourself.
Sends a pass over. Here they are on the attack. Along the half wall with the puck. Handles the puck. He scores!
Now you got to keep clawing back. Trailing in the game, they get the equalizer. He doesn't waste any time getting this puck off his stick. The snapshot beats the goaltender from the high slot.
Plenty of playing time left in this frame. You can feel the energy in this crowd. It's a tie game. This neutral zone face-off set to go, and we are back underway.
Assisted by number 20.
Moves around along the half wall. Sends the pass down low. Hammers a shot, and that's wide of the net. And the goalie covers up for the whistle. Center's jammed up, and the winger grabs the puck. Handles the puck from the left side. Besser's got it in the offensive zone. Norway's got the puck along the boards. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Zuccarello's got it along the wing. Slides it over to Folk. And he slides it quickly to Eichel. Over the line they come. Comes up with the stop as he got a piece of the blocker on it. Takes the pass. Knocked away. Moves it quickly over to Zuccarello. Takes the feed. And now it's grabbed by Suter. Wheeler's picking up momentum through center. They've got the defense outnumbered. On the attack along the boards. Saucer feed. And he slides it quickly to Suter. What a stop!
I need to take another look at that. I thought there was room to get by. Clearly, I was wrong. I'm glad I don't have to take the hit he just took.
Past the midway mark of the frame, we got a tie game. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Makes a save, cool and calm under pressure. Moves the puck. Oh, that's tremendous poise in the defensive end to break off the pass. Denies him on the slapper. Pavelski's got the puck in his own zone. Looking to make something happen along the boards. No quarter given here as they battle for the loose puck along the boards. And he makes the save. Works it across to Kessel. Through the neutral zone, moving the puck along the side. Puts it up front. Oh, set that hit up perfectly. And he came up big on that last opportunity. Nice pass. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. Here they come on the attack. Nice poke check. It's a 2-on-1. Here's the pass. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Slides it back to the blue line. Quick feed to Pavelski. Denied by the goaltender. Picked up along the wall by Jones. Good hit to knock the puck loose. Up along the wing. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. With the stop.
Kessel's on the receiving end of this huge hit. Sometimes you've got nowhere to go.
While the centers are jammed up, nice job by the winger to steal the puck. Takes the feed. Receives the pass. Here's a short pass to Gaudreau. Gaudreau swooping in on the attack. Shot comes up with the stop. Here's a blast and another stop.
Quick reflexes. You make one, you make two stops before the puck is cleared away.
Team Norway's got a hold of it along the wall. Sends the pass over. And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Slides the puck across to Folk. Into the offensive zone. Here's a shot. Blocker save. Picked up along the boards by Pacioretty. Now a quick pass to Folk. Tees off. Trapper save. In the final moments of this period, the next goal could be a big one as we are tied. Good read by the winger as the two centers tie up. Slides the puck over. Loses his balance on the play. There's the whistle as things will slow down here for a moment.
Always a good play if you're not sure what's going on. Freeze the puck.
Kessler's won the face-off deep inside the offensive zone. Oh, a clutch save! Carries it in. Sends a pass over. Team USA's got a hold of it against the wall. Takes the shot. That one's off the blocker. Tremendous hit against the wall.
You think there's a sliver of room there, James. There's none. And he got corked.
Puts it on net. Gets in front of it. Oh, just a textbook hit. Scooped up along the wall by McDonough. Kessler's got it on the offensive end. Back to the blue line. Oh, what a save in front. Lets it fly. There's another stop.
Oh, that's a nifty save there. The shot changes direction, and he's able to make the save anyway.
And momentum on their side as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Handles the puck. Unloads from the blue line. That's turned aside from the blocker. Norway's gained possession along the boards. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. USA's got the puck in their own end. Besser's got it into offensive territory. Quick pass to Besser. Handles the puck at the point. With possession along the wall. Quick feed down low. Great read to break up the play. And he serves it across to Zuccarello. He says, let's get physical on that play. And now he moves it quickly to Eichel. Here's a chance. Takes the feed at the back end. Stopped by the goaltender.
Flashes the leather right in the slot on a difficult chance. Zuccarello's trying to brace himself. He knows the hit's coming, but man, does he get leveled.
Here in the late going of the frame, it's all tied up. Matthews has won the faceoff. Oh, comes up with the stop. Team USA's got control of it now here in the offensive end. Locks it down with a stop. I think he got a blocker on that one. And tries to make a diagonal pass to Kane. Takes the pass. Moves the puck along the half wall. Knocked away. USA's got the puck. Kane's carrying it ahead. Sends it across. Stopped with ease. And it's a quick pass to Carlson. Deflected away. Nice defensive use of the stick there. 1-1 is where we sit as the second period comes to an end.
Do you know someone in your community who goes the extra mile to help out? Nominations for our Team Player Awards are available in the concourse in the lower seating level.
The third period is just moments away, and both Ray and I will be ready to bring you all the action here on EA Sports. And they are ready to drop the puck on period number 3. Third period is now underway in this very tightly contested affair so far. Takes the puck into the corner of the offensive end. Denies him on the play. Takes the feed. Lumps the puck into the corner of the offensive zone. Team Norway's grabbed a hold of the puck. From his own end, he picks up the puck. Back at the point, they set it up. Moves the puck. Puck grabbed by Kane. Carries it across the line. And that's broken up with a stick in front. Team USA's got the puck along the wall. Pokes it away to stay on the attack. Grabbed along the boards by Zuccarello. Along the half wall with the puck. With the blast! The lane was plugged up and that shot's blocked. Great defensive play to come up with the puck. Some great thievery in the open ice. He'll keep it alive and moves it ahead. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Slides it across. Denies him! Kessel's exploring options with the puck. Big time stop with the glove.
Gibson's done nice work here on this scoring chance to turn it aside.
Lots of time left in this period. We are all tied up in this one. Pavelski's won the draw here in the offensive zone. Oh, what a stop! Nice poke check inside the attacking zone. That's off a stick. Nice pass. Takes it across the blue line. Flips it up the net. Way too much congestion blocks that. Takes the feed. They've got numbers. Heads deep inside the offensive zone. Quick feed down low. Handles it along the blue line. Besser's got it against the boards. That's a great heads-up play to break up the pass. Moves it around along the half wall. Good battle along the boards for the puck. And the puck's booted away. And it's freed up over to his teammate with a nice kick pass. Good hit on the play. USA's got control of it now from their own end. Here he is trying to get loose.
Oh, the puck was like an anchor for the forward. He's got a breakaway, but he gets caught from behind. He clearly thought he had room to get by, but it got closed off in a hurry. He took a big hit there.
Center's jammed up and the winger grabs the puck. Over the line they come. Lugs the puck into the offensive zone corner. Oh, misses.
Tries to deliver it quickly. He just fires it wide of the net.
Pacioretty's going to play it against the half wall. Lets it go from the slot. Just wide of the net. And the officials are calling a delayed penalty here. Looks like a trip. Just an old-school tripping call here on this one, right?
Sometimes I think you just get burned here. A little bit of a bad break. You're fishing around for the puck, and your stick gets into the other guy's feet.
They'll go back to work on their special teams.
Easiest thing in the world, James. Tell somebody else to relax. The power play hasn't scored yet. They're not relaxed, and it's not easy to do, but that's the key to success.
Takes the puck as the clock ticks down on the penalty kill. Norway's got it in the neutral zone. On the attack along the boards. Play whistle dead because of an offside. Nearing the midway mark of the period. You can feel the energy in this crowd. It's a tie game. Puck is dropped and play resumes. Team Norway's got the puck here in the open ice. Shoots it, denied by the goaltender.
Half of the goals in this league are scored from directly in front of the net. That doesn't happen with a save like this.
Glides along the blue line. Pass back to the point. Tape-to-tape feed on the blue line. And that skips away on a nice defensive deflection. Receives the pass. Takes the feed at the point. And the traffic neutralizes that threat. Stones him in front. Back underway as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Blocker save.
Save is good. Better yet that rebound doesn't stay in front of the net. It's over to safety in the corner.
Jostling for the puck, and he loses control. Takes that pass back at the point. Good hit on the play. Now he takes it over the line. Sends the pass over. And a smart heads-up read to come up with the puck. Folks got it across the line. Moves it to Van Riemsdyk. Centered out in front. He scores!
Well, they break the tie here, James. This game had been hotly contested since it's been level. They now have found a way to jump into the lead. Well, the only way he's stopping this one is if it hits him. As soon as the shooter went to shoot it, the goaltender dropped into the butterfly. He's looking around that traffic, hoping he can find it.
Team USA's coaches look pretty active down there, Ray. What are you hearing?
Well, they don't want anybody to get complacent here. They've got the lead, and they want to push forward. As quick as you get the lead, you can lose it right back.
And a great heads-up defensive play here.
8 minutes, 26 seconds.
Puck fired in deep, and they'll go for a change. Gets that puck back on a stick. Here they come on the attack. Back to the point it goes. Read it perfectly and breaks up the play.
That's got to be delivered a little quicker. Nice play by the defensive team.
And a stick in the lane ends that threat. Looking to make something happen along the boards. USA's got the puck along the boards. Goudreau's got the puck. Chase right in front. Off a stick. Great feed from the left side. Team USA's got control of the puck. Matthews plays it against the boards. Stopped by the goaltender.
Well, by being in the right position, James, he gets so tight to the shooter, there's nowhere for the puck to go. Man, the teams have been going at each other since the very beginning of this hockey game. Nobody is back down. The body contact level has stayed extremely high.
USA's been the better team tonight. They have turned good defense into solid offense, and they lead here in the third. And that's broken up. Slides the puck over. Puts it in deep. Team USA's got a hold of it along the wall. Oh, reads it perfectly. Here's a chance. Moves with the puck at the corner. Knocked away. USA's regained possession of the puck. Makes him, and he's going after him here.
Yeah, after the teammate got hurt, he jumped right in. He's going to make him try and pay a price.
We got ourselves a fight here. Well, I guess that's that.
That's that, and it's pretty clear, James, who had the upper hand. Of course, everybody jumps up when the fight happens, but your guy wins, and the building just keeps moving along.
And the crowd's still on their feet here, Ray. Time for the power play unit to get back to work. Eichels won the draw. Lays into the body. Moves it quickly over to Carlson. Drifts it and rips it. Oh, and a little too much air on that one.
He's trying to shoot that right next to the goalie's ears. Get it up top, but he shoots it too high.
Shot and makes the save. Eichel's got it along the boards. Wheeler's got it in the offensive zone. Blast from the point. Big save by the goaltender.
Gibson's ability to read the play helps him out here. The odd man rush means a dangerous chance, but he's right on it.
Team USA's got the edge in the shot department, a big reason why they lead here in this third period. Offensive zone face-off, and he wins the draw. And that clanks off the iron. Norway's gained possession along the boards. Carries it in. Great defensive effort breaking up the pass. Puts it on net, and that one's stopped. More than half the period has expired. It's 2-1. Play resumes here as he wins the draw inside the offensive zone. Zuccarello's moving it ahead. Into the corner. Here's a shot, and the puck skips off the glove. USA's attempt to put more pucks on net has paid off as they lead it in the third. Nice start winning the draw here inside the offensive zone. Takes the shot, puts it just wide of the net. Team USA's got a hold of it against the wall. Pavelski swooping in on the attack. Looking to make something happen in the offensive zone. Hard blast. Wicked stop by the goalie who got his glove out to knock it away. Another stop by the goaltender. Along the wing up the neutral zone. Moves right to the middle. Makes his presence known on the ice. And he slides it quickly to Suter. Taken along the wall by Kessel. Here's an odd man rush. Kessel's got it along the wing. Goalie makes the save.
I like the way he tracks the puck here. He's got to find it, and then he gets his body right in front of it. That's a good save. That's a critical save. If they're going to come back and get even in this game, they cannot give anything else up.
USA's been the better team tonight. They have turned good defense into solid offense, and they lead here in the third. Back underway, and they take possession here inside the offensive zone. And that banks off a stick. And now he moves it to Pavelski. Too much congestion in front. Team Norway's got it in their own zone. Great pass from the left wing up the middle now. Big hit. Slides the puck across. With possession along the wall. Great hands to handle the saucer feed. Big time stop. Gets a blocker on it. Carries it across the line. Team USA's got the puck along the wall. Taken by Besser. Moves the puck along the half wall. Quick feed to Wheeler. Stopped by the goaltender.
Buckland's made this part of his game. He levels his opponent here.
USA's offense, the story tonight as they lead it here in this third period. Matthews wins it in the offensive zone. Takes a shot. Gobbles that puck up with his chest. And there's the whistle, giving him a chance to exhale. A lot on the line here in this offensive zone faceoff. Matthews has won the draw. From one end of the blue line to the other. Denies him. He got all of it. They fight for it along the boards. Norway's got the puck along the boards. Sends a pass over. Handles the puck. Thunder is hit.
Well, that's inevitable. He had his head down, got hit so hard he dropped his stick. Now he's got to go pick it up before he can join the play again.
That's why coaches say keep your head up, right?
Well, that's one of the reasons. Wow, did the ice get small for him? There's nowhere to go, and he had to absorb this huge hit.
Team USA's not far from the finish line here as they lead it late in this third. Play resumes as they win the draw here inside the offensive zone. Trying to get back on the attack now. Team Norway's got a hold of it along the wall. And he slides it quickly to Zuccarello. Along the half wall with the puck. Puck picked up by Kessler. And now he angles it across to Kessler. Through center along the wing. Moves it around along the half wall. Looks to set up at the point now. Slides the puck near the front of the net. And there's the save.
Certain saves are more difficult than others. This one right from the slot is turned aside. Oh, that's going to be a penalty. They're going to have to call that.
Tripping is the call, and it's pretty cut and dry, it seems, Ray.
Well, it's like you're in position, then you're not. You reach out, you trip them up, and there's no way to get out of it now.
And the man advantage unit goes right back to work.
Sometimes you have to have the shortest of memories when you play on a specialty unit like the power play. It hasn't gone very well for them so far tonight. They have to attack this power play with a renewed vigor.
Puck dumped in. USA's gained possession along the boards. Plays the body. Norway's grabbed a hold of the puck. Less than 60 seconds left here in the final frame. Slides the puck down low. Comes up with the steal.
Still have to be careful with the puck. He turned it over way too easy.
Here's a short pass to Eichel. Oh, and he completely blew it on that miss.
Yeah, you got to get it on the net, James. You've got an opportunity to score, and you don't even test the goalie.
Gets control of the puck here in his own end. Brings the puck into the offensive end now. Player goes down to the ice. There's the referee's hand in the air. Looks like we got a tripping penalty on the way. And let's see what the call is. Tripped him up, and he's off to the box for it, Ray.
Reaching out for the puck to get your stick into his feet. This is the consequence.
Another chance here on the man advantage. Off the draw, and a nice job locking up his opponent. Takes it across the blue line. Trailing in this one, they have pulled the goalie and the extra attacker's out. Grabs the puck here inside the offensive end. Takes the pass. Puck moved over to Matthews. And that'll do it from ringside here.
They peppered the other goaltender, had more shots on goal, and in the end, even in a close game, that becomes part of the difference.
Well, at some point in time, you take enough opportunities, you're bound to convert in theory, right?
Well, that's the
Basic
goal.
logic, anyway.
Eventually, they get the puck into the net. Enough times to win.
Well, this one's in the books. A fun one tonight for Ray Ferraro. My name is James Cebulski. Thanks for joining us, everyone. Good night.
Yo, 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 yo. Uh-huh, uh-huh.